Women, stop begging for men in a relationship. 4 things a woman does not want to beg a man for, or should not beg a man for in a relationship. Do not beg a man to communicate with you. For if he loves you, he will want to communicate with you effortlessly. He will text to the best of his knowledge. He will record you a voice message to the best of his knowledge. He would borrow a phone or do whatever he has to communicate with you. When he is not communicating, that is an indication that he is not interested in you and he is communicating with somebody somewhere. That is why his time is more spent there. If a man loves you and wants you, he will treat you right. You do not need to beg him to treat you nicely or right, because a man who is in love knows how to treat a woman. He will buy you gifts. He will pamper you like a baby, take you out on trips. You name them. That is because that man cares. That is because he loves you. That is because he cherishes you. You know, when you love something, you pamper that thing. He will nurture you, nurture the love to grow. You will have no time. You don't need to use your words to tell a man to treat you right. Women, listen and listen good. Because if that man wants you and loves you, you don't have to say that to him. Women, you should not beg a man to take you seriously. If he loves you and wants you, he will be the one proposing. He will be the one wanting to go see your family. He will be the one being into you and wanting to always be where you are. That is an indication he loves and cherishes you. So you don't need to beg him, oh darling, oh sweetheart, I would love that you treat me nicely. Nope. For how long are you going to keep telling him to treat you nicely? He knows it's his responsibility as a man to treat you nicely. Let's face facts, people. So you don't need to worry about asking him to treat you nicely. Never beg a man to introduce you to his family. If he is not offering to take you there, then you are not the one. Because he is still not sure and he's still wanting to check and clear his doubt. That's why he's not taking you to his family. Don't force yourself and say, I want to go see your family. I want to go see your family. That's not going to take you anywhere. Even if he does, with you forcing him, that is not going to be a good relationship. So women, the way you treat yourself is the same way the men would treat you. If you put yourself to be a doormat, then the men will trample on you. Which kind of a woman are you watching this? Are you a woman who begs men for these things and put yourself as a doormat? Or you're a woman who set boundaries and want to be treated like a queen? Put your comment on the comment section and don't forget to like and share your beautiful Mirages TV. Bye-bye.